Hi guys, this is your friend Crypto King. Today is October 20th and I'm here with a quick update on the overall crypto market. We saw a big dip in the crypto market on I think last Friday when market dropped massively, all your altcoins dropped massively and all the liquidation got wiped out from the market. And after that, market took some time to stabilize, and now I see some positive signs. So without any further delay, let me take you on the chart and show you what I see in this market. So as you can see, Bitcoin was coming down. This was the descending trend line. So it was creating this lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, another lower low, lower high, and lower low. But the good thing is it broke this last lower low and created this higher high. So this is a very positive sign, guys. I just want to see another lower low, lower high here, and then a higher high. So that is a confirmation of a trend change. And I believe from here, we may see Bitcoin moving up and making a recovery from that long downward trend. So the short-term trend is looking good. On the daily chart, in fact, I want to see Bitcoin to break close a daily candle above 111,200. So let me put a level here. So this is the level where I want a daily candle to close above 11,000. So once we see a daily candle closing above this level, that will be a confirmation for a trend change. And also, guys, if you look at the 4-hour chart, let me show you. You see this lower low on the Bitcoin's chart, but on MACD we see a higher low. So this is a bullish divergence. I always talk about divergences. So this is a bullish divergence. This was telling me that an upward move is coming, and that's what I shared in my Discord group. And I told my Discord members then we may see a recovery from here. The main point right now, guys, is 111,000. We need to see a daily candle closing above this level. That should be a further confirmation. And if we look at the Ethereum, you can see this is the descending trend line. And Ethereum is creating some kind of W pattern here, which is a nice reversal pattern. So we want to see Ethereum to break this gray line to keep moving up. Same story with the Solana or Dogecoin. Everything is looking good, guys. I know we saw a big drop a week and a half ago, but market is recovering. And let me flip the camera. Before I flip the camera, guys, let me show you gold's chart. So we saw a small sell-off in gold last week, but again, we see people are buying gold again. I'm telling you guys, gold is highly overbought, and I won't be surprised to see a sudden, correction. I'm not saying trend will reverse. I'm saying a sudden correction can come in gold, where investor will take some profit out of gold once the U.S. government opens up. So U.S. government is shut down, and this week it is expected to open. Plus, we have Fed's rate decision on October 31st. So let me flip the camera. Just one sec. So guys, these could be big events. Government opening up. US government is shut down for almost 3 weeks now. But I believe this week they're going to try to open up the US government. And plus, US is having trade negotiations with China. I think Secretary Besson is talking to his counterpart from China. And US President Trump is going to have a meeting with Putin in a few days, and plus he's going to meet Chinese president as well. So a lot of news happening in coming days. A lot of new developments will be happening in coming days, and I believe we're going to see a real positivity in this market. I know everyone has become bearish. Everyone is saying the bull market is over. Now we're going to go in a bear market. You don't go in a bear market like this. I believe we still have at least a couple of months for this bull market in crypto and also in stocks. Not a financial advice, guys. These are only my technical and fundamental analysis based on my limited knowledge on these markets. I could be wrong too. So please don't invest your money based on my analysis. Okay, guys, I will try to come live on TikTok as well once I see a confirmation. If Bitcoin closes a daily candle above 111,000, then I will start coming live. But if you want regular updates, every day's updates, guys, then my Discord is the place where you should be. Because I'm active in my Discord group. I'm updating my Discord members, what's going on, what to expect next. So if you want to join my Discord, go in my bio, click on the website link in my bio and join my Discord group. Okay, guys, take care.